Hello everyone, this is Moro, and this is the second part of the header tutorial in the How to Make Your Own Comic Website series. From where we left off in the previous video, you should only see this top part of the header, which is his logo and the sign in register links. But what we do in this video is create the home gallery comic author and this little search icon. So be sure to already have an image of a search icon. Again, you can use Photoshop or whatever illustrative program you have in your computer, or you can just save image and then just upload it to the image file on the cPanel. And be sure to have your pages done. So create pages, your, what did we call them? A home gallery comic author. And then go to your menu. Remember, you should have done this already previously when we did the file setup. But if you haven't, go to your menu, create a menu and name it primary. And just in case you need better instructions, let's just do this now. Alright, so just do create new menu. We can do that right now. Just name it primary. And then just add whatever pages you need. And you'll get a link or like a checkbox, and just checkbox primary. And that's what it will be a link to. Okay, so yeah, we're going to be making this part of the menu bar or the header page. Alright, so this is what you should be seeing. This is from last video, and let's just condense line 23, which should be top menu. So now let's add the new divs. So div, let me zoom in, guys. Div, there you go. Let's just keep it like that. Div ID. And we'll call it left display menu. And the reason I named it left display because I also do have a centered menu item list and one on the right. So just depending on how you want it oriented. But for this tutorial, we're just going to keep it just aligned left. Aligned to the left. So what goes in here? Div ID left display wrap. And now we put a nav item. So nav ID left display nav. And we're just going to include the PHP to link up your menus. So PHP and again, this is the primary. Okay, so let's zoom out and let's see what's going on. So save changes. And remember, this shouldn't be stylized. So what you should be seeing is beneath the logo, a home gallery comic author. And as you can tell, it's underlined. It's the link color is what, that purple color. All right, so this is what you should be seeing. All right, so let's go back here. Let me zoom in. So after that, what do we have? We have the search icon. Remember that? You need an image. And we just call this search icon nav. Because there's a link when you click the image. Here's the link. And well, you can keep it blank right now, so it doesn't take you anywhere. But just remember that you have it. And then now let's type in the image. Image source. Wrong one. Sorry guys. There you go. Okay, so now let's zoom out, save change, go back, zoom in, oh not zoom in, refresh. Okay, so now you should have your image pop out. And if you're not signed in, you should see a login and register. Alright, so everything looking good. Okay, so now let's start styling. Left. Display. Menu. Oopsie. Block. So now we're going to start using the CSS Grid. And they prefer you using this type of unit, but I'm just going to do the 90% by 10% method. And grid gap 0. Okay. And I just realized I'm not zoomed in. Sorry about that, guys. left play. Okay, so let's start. So left, sorry guys, I forgot the T. Display nav. Width 100%. So for padding, since the top and bottom, we'll do 10, and then we'll just do 0. Oops, see guys, I always forget to put pixels. And let me move down. For the font size, let's make it 16. And let's just keep everything kind of uniform. Uppercase. And the color, since the background is black, we're going to have the links be white. But in order to change the link colors, do color white. And text decoration. No. All right, let's zoom out and let's see what we got. There we go. We have something, but look at that. And look how it's pushing it. Oh, you can't even see it because it's white. And since I used a PNG image format with a transparent background. So, okay, let's continue. And I noticed something. Let's do padding left 20 pixels. Because I don't want it hitting right on the edge. And let's change the font family. Let's do, again, Arial. Actually, what we should do is add it to this. That's right. If you have a couple of double styling font family, and let's do line weight. Oh no, font weight. I'm sorry. Font weight. Bold. And just continue to refresh until okay, let's continue on. And now what I want to add is that little underline effect. So let's do that. Left display nav hover. Left display nav focus. Left display nav. Sorry, I keep forgetting to zoom in, but I hope you can bear with it. So let's do position, relative, And always know if you are typing things correctly. Okay, let's zoom out to see what we have so far. Okay, good. Let's zoom back in. Okay, that should be it. Boom. I don't know. I like this effect. I looked it up on Google, and that's how I found it. I just typed in hover underline. Okay, cool. And if you did everything correctly, if you followed my instructions, or you just copied what I did, and hopefully you picked something up. Again, this is how I learned, just by watching YouTube videos of people just typing code or just doing CSS. And if you think you are not learning anything, again, just start over. And each time I add a styling, pause, stop the video, and just see what changes are. And again, play around with any of the numbers. So hopefully this helps. Yeah. So I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you for watching.